Hello everyone, this is Shruti. I'm good and I hope you are again. I'm right? Okay, I hope you all know that water is really precious and really essential for living beings. And I also hope you all know that 72% of Earth is filled with water. But do you know that 71% of water is not useful, but only 1% of water is useful to us? And in that 1% of fresh water, 70% of water took their shape as polar ice caps and glaciers, where only 30% of fresh water are remaining. And in that 30% of fresh water, 1% of fresh water is rivers, lakes, and streams water, where remaining 29% of fresh water are groundwater. So I hope that you all understand now that we only have a little bit quantity of fresh water to live. So we should save water. So also along with this, today we all are going to learn about our precious and essential water cycle. Okay? Yeah. So first of all, the groundwater gets evaporated because of the sun's heat. I hope you all know that sun is really burning and really hot, right? So the sun rays fall on the water. The water can be evaporated from rivers, streams, lakes, anywhere else, but the water will be evaporated because of the sun's heat. Yeah, and the sun rays fall on the water and water becomes into the gas. Water gets heated and becomes into the gas and water becomes into water vapor. And this process has a particular name which is evaporation. Then the water vapor goes in the sky and forms on clouds. And this process is called as condensation. Condensation is the process of conversion of gas to the liquid. So same thing happens here. The clouds form and those are rain clouds. The water vapor goes in the sky and forms some big clouds. Those are rain clouds and this process name is condensation. And after that the clouds are getting heavier. The clouds will get heavier and heavier because there will be a lot of water which are occupying space in one cloud. So the cloud should be really huge, right? And do you know why the rain clouds look black? Because the water occupy a lot of space in one cloud, that one cloud will be so huge, so that's why it will occupy a lot of space and come in front of the sun. So that's why we cannot see the sun and we can see the clouds are in black color. Yeah? And then afterwards, the clouds cannot bear water inside them. The clouds get heavier. See, one thing or one person can only take their own capacity. See, suppose if there is a dam and it can take water according to its capacity. It cannot take more water. If it takes more water, then the dam will be broke, right? The dam will be broken. And I'm a human. And if I eat some food according to my capacity, and if I eat more food, my tummy will be really full and I will get a tummy pain, right? So like that, everything or everyone can take their food or take something according to their capacity. But the clouds will not break or the clouds will not damage. The clouds will give the water back to the earth as rain. And this process also has a particular name which is precipitation. Yeah, you got it. Precipitation. And sometimes some rainwater will be stored in rivers, lakes, seas, sometimes also dams. So this process also has a particular name. This process is called as runoff. Yeah, runoff. And there is one more process in water cycle which happens sometimes. See, if the water which are produced by plants are evaporated, then that process is called as transpiration because the plants give the water, right? And those water evaporated. I know that you all know that plants only drink water to survive, but how can plants give water? Sometimes if the rain falls, the water which some of the water droplets will stay on the plants, like this cute flower, this little plant here. And sometimes the water droplets which are on the plants will be evaporated, and that process is called as transpiration. And do you know how only little raindrops will make that very beautiful 7-colored rainbow? Yeah, let me explain it to you. How those little creatures will make that big beautiful thing. Yeah, I hope you all know that something reflects. See, suppose if I turn on the torch and keep it in a mirror, the light will not pass away, but it will reflect, right? It will reflect. Like that only, the sun rays will be mixed with the little water droplets, and from the water droplets one light will reflect, and that light is only rainbow. Do you know that rainbow is just an illusion and don't have an end? Yeah, rainbow is just an illusion. There is no end for a rainbow, and that is the light which is produced by sun rays mixing with water droplets, and water droplets giving that particular reflection, right? And I love rainbow very much. And I just wish that I could see a rainbow now. Oh, 7 colors, so beautiful, so much big, we don't have an end. Yeah, and also it is just an illusion. I hope we all learned enough for today about water sign. So thank you, bye.